What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on David's hatch. David's hatch. He's out of commission right now, so me and his brother are we're gonna work on it. We're gonna do little things here and there. We got a couple packages done. Here he has the lines for, I guess, the nylon lines. See if you see it for the catch can. So we got a bunch of stuff for catch can. He's installing a different catch can. Here's this catch can right here. I'll show you guys when we bring it out. But we were doing that, and we were also installing an AM wideband. He has one in there right now, but he doesn't really like it how it's going. So yeah, he has this innovative one. Well, actually, it's this one right here. He has this innovative one. He really doesn't like how it's performing, so we're gonna switch it out. This is oil and temp. That's pretty dope. It's like it works for both, you know. And yeah, so when he took out the charge pipes because they were full of water, I guess there was a little leak or something for over the summer. I mean, over the winter. Yeah, but man, his hatch is minty, man. And that's 2,000 clustered out. So let's get crack-a-lacking, right, Lola? Let's knock this out. Let's go. All right, so we already got the innovative one out. It was fairly simple. I mean, it has
especially for short people.
It looks like a SATA wire for like a computer or whatever, and then that over there. Yeah, but if you don't stop, God. And then Jessica, she's taking out the catch can with my
I
one.
took it out.
And the battery.
And I already took that out too.
She worked faster than you.
She really does.
But I'm too short, so I couldn't reach it.
Yeah, that's short life. Yeah.
So there goes Alex. He's gonna finish my work because I'm too short.
Look at them guns. Oh shit.
Yeah, guns my butt.
That battery's heavier than it looks.
There goes the catch cam I just took out.
Lola, stop.
There goes Manuel. And there goes Alexa. We working too, bro.
All I need is a screwdriver.
Then grab it. I didn't say it.
Crisis.
What are you doing?
Alright, let's see how we take out this cluster. Huh?
What are you doing over here?
Well, I'm gonna try to see where all this is coming from.
Hey, what screwdriver did you grab?
Phillips and a flat.
I need it when you're done.
Nope. Well, actually,
No te atrevas.
I've never messed with an EG before, so I don't know how to take out the damn dash. What do you need? This Phillips? How do you take this off? Well, I see a red wire, so I guess the red wire is coming to this. This is for the radio. I guess it's for the radio, bro. Alright. I don't know, let's figure it out. I'll figure it out. I'm just gonna show. Alright, so this is all the wiring it has. Jesus, too close. So coming from there, had like 50 zip ties just from here to here. That was dope because it was nice and tucked. And then it goes to the ECU. Here you go.
It's upgrading up in here. Are you recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Oh, damn. My bad.
So come on, man, do a good job. Be a good videographer.
All right, let's see here. Hey, we got Ray Ray in the house.
Ooh, what up, guys?
And he got Lola.
You got Lola.
Because Lola is
Sounds like
weird
he got a
and she
disease.
I know, she don't even like me and she knows me longer. It's okay though. I forget. She's too cute.
Wait until she grows up, she sees it. Like, yeah, you were an asshole when you were little.
I'm gonna show that video to my kids.
Manuel, when you're done being a videographer, I need some more water, please. And thank you.
Okay.
So the third one is not connected to anything. One of them is connected to ground, and one is connected to, it looks like ground too.
So if you bark at me.
We gotta find out what them pinouts are.
What is it?
We gotta find out. We gotta
Hey,
look at
can you hand me my phone?
taking out the rest of the harness.
Hey, you know your
From this
car,
side?
your car was overheated, bro.
Yeah.
But
But
there's
right
a
when I
lot of
got on
red
the
wires, so
highway,
I'm trying to be careful
went down
to
to
see
two.
And then we
which
get that
one
right.
is what.
200.
Because also the
Yeah, that's still hot as hell, bro.
S2000 cluster has 1,000 red wires.
And both of
So
the fans were
everything's
on.
all wired up together, so everything's sharing power from one each other. So I'm just trying to connect them in an order that we can put it back together.
Don't talk about my wire work. Like I need
Other than that, I
to.
mean, everything's pretty
I'm not
almost
taking
done,
ownership
so-
of that one.
so- You said what?
He said he's not taking ownership of that one.
Okay.
Yeah, I just got them today.
So
They're from Cletus McFarland.
it's almost done.
Hell
bro.
yeah.
Oh, that's what it
Yeah.
Dude.
So they're over there
Wait, does he even know
working
that?
on the hatch while we over here chilling on this sexy baby right here. Look at this, you guys. This is a beauty. This is my dream car, you guys. If I don't get an American. And that's the owner right there.
Hello. Looking like a bum. But it's okay.
Look at her. She's a beauty. And there goes Lola, trying to steal people's cars.
I had it, dude.
This
I
is
was
a-
gonna go to
we're
Papa Bella's,
debating
but then
right here.
A friend of mine told me, Gina's brother.
No, I'm getting footage.
That's looking pretty. That's looking pretty promising right there. I gotta take all these wires off. These
Got
wires
the
are
catch cam in.
smocking some stiff thread.
Alright guys, this is already the next day, so I managed to put everything back together. Well, we managed to put everything back together. Now the AEM wideband is on. This is an innovative sensor, temperature, and oil pressure. It's back on, everything's back together. It took me a while because it was a lot of wiring to take out, and all the wires were freaking red. So I had to figure out what went to what, so I can label them. So when he sells it, he can tell the next person that with what happens to, what goes to what. So, so today we're gonna be putting on the well, taking everything out. We're gonna be putting the catch can and relocating the battery. So hopefully I get a chance to do all of it today, so he can take it to the track on Saturday, and hopefully track it on Saturday. Yeah, so let's get started. All right, look at Lola. Look at her. She's already ready to go tracking. Go ahead, put the steering wheel on, Mama. Put it on. Right here. There you go. Go ahead. Put it on, Mama. There it goes. Ow. Huh? All right. All right, so I just ran the wire to the back already. To the back of the, we got the zero gauge all the way to the back, so now we're gonna have to break that apart and get these all together so it can just power up everything that's here. Run all the way to the back and then hook up the ground. Then from there we can go ahead and tuck it in, and right there where the catch can is gonna sit. This is how the catch can looks. Show his backpack. So, 2 filters up top, and then there's going to be 2 from the valve cover. Have the 2 from the valve cover up top, and then these 2 angled ones and behind the block. It came with the kit to get the freeze plugs in the back out. So we're gonna go ahead and do that next after we get that battery situated, get everything done back there, and go ahead and start mocking up the catch can. Oh, and I also got to change we got to change the sensor as well, because it still has the innovative one. We got to put the AM. So, all right, guys. Okay, so the idea is this is the power wire, and we're gonna go ahead and put that bad boy through that, this one through this, and then one more, which is this one. Gotta put it right through all of them with a nut, then wrap it around in tape so it doesn't make any contact on anything. And yeah, so everything's running to the fuse box. Whatever this is for the fan. It has a different fan. It has this big harness with a freaking big ass fuse. Okay, so that's to the fuse box, and then this one's going to the starter, which is another big ass wire. So have everything where it needs to be. Boom. Now to look for a boat. Man, my lenses are fogging. That's how damn hot it's here. It's bad. I don't even have freaking glasses on. That's how bad I'm sweating. So. Alright, guys.
Ooh, you look cool. Show daddy. No, put them back on and show daddy. Put them back on. Yeah, put them on. Show baby.
Ooh, dang, nice. Ready for the sun, which is going away, but man, look at you. All right, guys, so we pretty much cleaned up most of the harness. There's the battery, and it still needs to get taped up. So this is how it's gonna look, mocked up. We're just rerouting that wire that goes to the coolant temp. It was just in the way, so. Then from there, we just lift it up and finish that up, and then work on it back, and that's it.
You can try it. I don't think you'll
Yeah.
like it.
We'll be back. No, that's it. All right, so we have it's a little dirty, but we already put on the catch can. Everything's already front to back. What else did we change? The battery relocation is already done in the back, and the wideband's already. Oh, it's raining. Oh, it is already raining. So don't move. Don't touch, mama. That's hot. Woo! Let's go inside. Come on, Lola. Perfect.